Karnataka. Remember, actor Darshan has been caught in the murder scandal right now, and it's only unraveling more details. Shocking, stunning revelations that are coming to the fore. This time, we are told that twists and turns that are emerging in this case. Police investigation has revealed that actor Darshan, along with Pavitra, visited the victim on the day of the murder, and that the victim, now deceased, Renuka Swami, was allegedly beaten up repeatedly at the residence of the actor. The victim was belted repeatedly by Darshan himself. These are allegations coming in as the investigators are trying to figure out what's unfolding. Darshan and Pavitra was both taken to the crime scene by the cops on Wednesday, where Renuka Swami was allegedly beaten to death. Remember, this means that the situation is turning troublesome. These are not just leads and links. The investigators appear to have some solid evidence while making the link of murder to the star couple. We are told that apart from this, there are some grabs that have emerged, screenshots of conversations that have allegedly taken place between Pavitra and this individual, Renuka Swami, who had created a fake account and then started to send some lewd and inappropriate messages to the wife of Darshan. But remember, for the actor to himself get involved, that has led to the loss of life of individual. What exactly happened? Why couldn't he approach the police or the cyber cell on issues like this when there are clearly set procedures as per law? Because allegations of him belting a man and then a man dying repeatedly because of those beatings has led to a huge controversy. Anaga Keshav is joining me for the latest on this. Anaga, so the star couple, both of them, interestingly, have been sent to custody. But how is it turning to be more troublesome for them? Because they appear to have said that they did nothing. Why do the investigators believe otherwise?
Well, Pooja, Darshan, the top actor, is always known for his high-handedness in the Kannada film industry. He's always known for being an arrogant actor who always, even out of sets, he still behaves like he's still on sets, is the kind of narrative that we've always been hearing about Darshan. And now, the only reason why Darshan and Pavitra Gowda got embroiled in this murder case is because the accused, who were first caught by the police, revealed Darshan's name, actor Darshan. They said that it was at the behest of actor Darshan why we murdered Renuka Swami. And that was when the police, they went to Mysore in the wee hours, on the 11th of June. That was when Darshan was taken from a private hotel in Mysore. And yesterday he was taken for a spot inquest that was in a shed in R.R. Nagar in Bengaluru to recreate the whole crime scene. And now we are being told that it was because Renuka Swami made some Instagram post against his wife, against Darshan's wife, Pavitra Gowda. That was what enraged Darshan, and he let his gang outside, asking them to sort of warn him or leave him with a threat or even possibly, hit him black and blue. But it turns out that the gang members wanted to impress Darshan, and that's why that's why they went a step further, flashed him black and blue to the point where Renuka Swami lost his life. And now Darshan and Pavitra Gowda are facing the heat for misuse of their money, muscle power and stardom.
Anaga, keep tracking the latest on that because there are more and more details coming in to the viewer right now who's trying to figure out what exactly happened in Karnataka. How did a star couple get sent to police custody? Here's what precisely appears to have happened according to the leads coming in. Now, the victim, the man who's now deceased, Renuka Swami, was kidnapped at about 11 a.m. on the 8th of June. This gets confirmed by the investigators, but what happened after that? According to the probe that is on, this victim was repeatedly beaten up, not by Darshan right now, but with an intent of impressing the actor. So perhaps some men who knew Darshan had been possibly been in touch with him. They wanted to impress him that we have beaten up this man. Darshan and Pavitra, the star couple, visit the place where this individual either was residing or eventually died. Darshan had also whipped Renuka Swami with a belt, that he'd also used the belt to attack and charge and beat up this man repeatedly. The accused even threw the victim against a wall in Darshan's presence. So this, remember, is not just the actor, but there were men with him who appeared to have an approval of this beating. After Darshan left, the perpetrators beat Renuka Swami again, and this has led eventually to his death, as according to what the probe is right now. Darshan and wife Pavitra left by the evening, and victim died an hour later. And that is why the direct owners, the link is coming on the star couple. The accused paid even 30 lakh rupees. The accused here is Darshan and the wife, that they paid about 30 lakh rupees cash to manage the situation. And when I say manage, it's basically the cover-up so that the matter is done and cleared with, not realizing that there was enough evidence that reached the cops as well.